Good afternoon, and I'm back, and
Ew. I'm joking.
don't disturb me.
Kuya, huwag mo pa.
Today is December 28th. Good morning. We're going to Smart & Final. Grocery ng konti para sa New Year. And just a quick OOTD. My top is from Craft & Barrow. Shorts from Uniqlo. And I'm wearing my Vans. See you later. Guys, yung naked juice, oh. Bakit? Ano ba yung boat house? Ito vanilla chai tea. Ano ba yung lasa nito? Try na namin.
This side.
What?
This.
It says, oh, bawal ka dyan, anak. Kuha din ako na ano siya. Hindi na lang.
Smell.
Ay, anong smell? What's
The food.
It's the meat. Yeah, we're buying meat for New Year na.
Samurai?
Para hindi na kami lalabas. Para kung ano man yung kulang na lang, yun na lang yung bibili namin. So,
A belt.
no, I don't have a belt. We're planning to cook ribs. And gagawa ko ng shawarma. This one. And gagawa din ako ng buffalo wings. Kaya bumili ako ng this one, yung chicken wing sauce. And para sa shawarma, itong tortillas. There.
Good afternoon. Hello, guys. So we just went to a store. We went to 99 cents.
No, Smart & Finals.
We just to Smart & Finals, and I just buy candy again. And look at my hair. Mommy just fixed my hair, and it's so, Queen said it's so ugly. But it's not ugly. I hate this hair. Except I bought candies again, and I want to blog, and good afternoon, and I want to blog, and then
Vlog? Vlog.
good afternoon, and I'm back, and we just
Ew. I'm joking.
don't disturb me.
Kuya, huwag mo pakialaman.
Good afternoon, and I'm back, and Kuya was disturbing me, and just went to a store. 99. Daddy, which store have we been today?
Smart & Finals.
We just been to Smart & Finals, and I don't like to get a car wash, and I was so scared of, when I was in the Chickies van, I was so scared of the car wash. And I'll see you, and we have a busy day, and we bought food, and I bought candies, and Daddy bought cones and meat and bacon and Mommy bought juice and bacon. And I'll see you guys later, and I begin to vlog, and I'm going to see you guys later.
Guys, grabe ang pula, ang orange. Pasensya na ma-orange kasi yung ilaw dito sa kitchen. Hello, we had our lunch and kanina nagluto ako nung chicken with ketchup na may pickles. Ginaya ko yung recipe nung mother-in-law ko kasi paborito yun ni Habi. Very simple siya pero masarap. So far, nakuha ko naman yung lasa niya. Nagustuhan naman nila. Yun, niluto ko yun kasi kagabi parang na-homesick yata yung asawa ko. Niluto ko para lalong ma-homesick. And next in line is yung chicken curry. Ay, baka mas maliwanag dito. Na-miss nila ang chicken curry, so ni-request nila na magluto ako ng chicken curry. Yung chicken nga pala, di ba, isang whole pack yun na madami siya. Ginawa ko na lang, since hindi ko siya na-portion before ko ilagay sa ref, nung isang araw, tino ko na siya, and then pinakuluan ko na lahat, nilagyan ko ng asin tsaka sibuyas, and then pagka luto na yon, tsaka ko na lang siya ipo-portion like this one. Yung part of this is yun ngang niluto ko kanina na chicken with ketchup and pickles. So ito, yung remaining, gagawin ko siyang chicken curry. It was requested by my eldest, so na-miss nila ang chicken curry, so I have to cook chicken curry. Ayan, masyadong maliwanag dito sa kitchen. Binuksan ko yung yung door kasi nagluto ako kanina ng upo. Ginisa ko siya sa bagoong with kamatis, bawang sibuyas. Ito siya, guys. Here. There. Ayun, na-miss ko kasi ang upo, kaya ang gusto ko kasi sa upo, yung gano'n, yung ginigisa siya sa sa bagoong alamang. Yun yung ganong gusto kong luto sa upo. And these are my ingredients, guys, for chicken curry. Yung bawang, sibuyas, bell pepper, yung curry powder, leftover na evaporated milk, and itong chicken powder. And ang ilalagay ko na gulay is yung tomatoes and carrots. Ito, alam niyo tong carrots na to, siguro ilang buwan na nasa ref yan. Ngayon lang siya mauubos, guys. Ayan. So, potatoes and carrots. Ayun, nagigisa ko lang siya sa bawang sibuyas. Tapos yung lagay ko yung gulay. Lagyan ko ng curry powder with milk. Oh, I'm going to use milk instead of coconut milk, because this one was staying inside the ref for almost a day na. Kesa masira siya, I'm going to use it na lang for the chicken curry instead of using coconut milk. I have coconut milk though, pero yeah, instead na masira ito, I'm just going to use this one. Okay. Yeah, I'll see you guys later. Pakita ko yung final product. Final product ba? Pakita ko yung kalalabasan ng aking chicken curry mamaya. Okay. Guys, before ko pala lutuin yung chicken curry ko, lulutuin ko muna tong fish galunggong na binili ko dati pa kasi tumatagal siya sa ref. Meron pa akong 4 pieces dito. So, ang gagawin ko na lang, nilagyan ko siya ng breadings para kahit mamaya namin kainin, medyo malutong pa siya. So, ayan, ipiprito ko na lang muna siya before ko lutuin yung chicken curry para yung amoy dito sa bahay hindi mag-amoy isda, mag-amoy curry. O ano yung huli kong niluto, yun yung maaamoy sa bahay. Okay, i-deep fry ko siya.